So what's up, y'all? It's Unique Angel. I wanted to come on here and show another one of my little tricks. So I've had these braids in since July 16th to be exact, and I've maintained them very well. I just got done washing them because, of course, after so long, your hair and your scalp and everything is gonna start to grow and your scalp's gonna be itching. So I will wash my hair just as usual, making sure to focus up on the scalp. Right now, I'm going to apply some argan oil, and this came from my hair dye kit, so I had to dye my gray. But anyway, I'm gonna show you how I maintain these braids and make them look fresh, just like brand new. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some oil, and mind you, I'm gonna look over here in my mirror. And I'm pretty much just putting this on my scalp. It's still wet, as you can see, like the bottoms are still scraggly because it's still quite wet. And that's gonna help keep some of the itching down on your scalp. And you only need a few things. So I watched, of course, some YouTube videos, but there's a little trick that I kind of figured out, and you don't need much. So of course it's all bushy in here right now. We're gonna use just a few things. We're gonna use some Eco Styler gel. I use the Super X, this is Super Olive 10X, okay? This is like still moisturized, so it's not as drying as the original. Of course, a little clip to like clip the braids out when I'm working from the back to the front. And then these. If anybody has dreads, you kind of use these to twist and lock your dread and then put it in the dryer. Same thing I've been doing with the braid. So let's get started. Okay, so I've done most of my hair and I'm almost to the end. So I was just gonna show how I do the last few. It's my middle part there, so I'll do these, starting with this. So what I'm gonna do is take a little bit of the gel and put it on the root there, and then start to twist. Clamp it down and then move on to the next one. And this is going to help define or redefine the original parts that were there. And you kind of want to clip them together and lay them flat so that when you do, I'm going to put the blow dryer on my head for a little bit and then just keep my scarf on there as I'm doing like my nails and stuff. And that way, when they dry, when they're fully dry, they'll be nice and flat. And yeah, that's it. Okay, so my whole head is done. You can see the parts pretty clear. I'm gonna take a little bit of that gel, put it on top, smoothing the hairs down. And I'm gonna take my blow dryer and blow dry it. And then I'm gonna take my scarf and put my scarf on my head so that it lays flat for a while, do my nails and everything like that. So I'll show you the finished results. Okay, so I've had these in for the majority of the day. I've taken most of them out, but as you can see, the parts are really neat. It's laid, and I can get away with this for a little while longer. So let's get them all out. Ooh, I kind of are ripping on my little hairs. That's the only part. See? Oh, that hurts. And this side. Ooh. That is the only part. It hurts taking these things out because they catch in your little hairs. Ooh. That's a little gel. I'll get that later. It hurts. Don't try for tender heads. Okay. I think I got them all. It's nice and flat and smooth again.